Today we will study about the Mendel's law of inheritance. On the basis of his experiment on the pea plant, Gregor John Mendel has formulated three laws to explain the inheritance or the transfer of genes from parents to offspring. These three laws are as follows. First one is law of dominance. Second is law of segregation. And third is law of independent assortment. So we'll study about all these three laws in detail. So first law is law of dominance. Law of dominance states that whatever the characteristic is dominant among two will be expressed itself in the next generation or into the offspring. Mendel has made a monohybrid cross between tall and dwarf plant. As you can see, the tall here, the characteristic of tallness is dominant over the dwarfism. That is why it is written in capital letter. So we write all the dominant characteristic in capital letter and all the recessive characteristic in small letter. So as he has done the cross between the tall and the dwarf plant, he observed that in first generation, the offspring will be capital T and small t. The genetic constitution of offspring will be capital T and small t. And due to the presence of this dominant capital T or dominant gene which resemble to the dominant parent, the plant will resemble to the tall plant or the dominant parent in its phenotype. But the genetic constitution, as we can see here, is different. So the characteristic of dominance is expressed into the next generation, or we call it into the offspring or F1 generation. So it is very clear from the example that whatever the characteristic is dominant will be expressed in the offspring or into the next generation. This is the first law of Mendel, that is law of dominance. Second is the law of segregation. Law of segregation states before transferring to the next generation, characteristics usually segregate in the form of gametes. So it is also very clear from the above example, that is this capital T and small t is the parent generation over here. This capital T small t is the F1 generation or the offspring. So law of segregation what says? It states that before transferring to the next generation, characteristics usually segregate in the form of gamete. That means before transferring to the next generation, the characteristic which is present in the form of capital T segregate in the form of gamete. Here also it will segregate in the form of gamete. That means these two genes which are representing the same characteristic, or a pair of gene which is representing a single characteristic, will differentiate or segregate in the form of gametes. So these are the gametes. So this is law of segregation, which state before transferring to the offspring, the characteristic usually segregate in the form of gametes. So this is the second law of Mendel. Third law states that third law is your law of independent assortment. I am explaining you the law of independent assortment here only. Law of independent assortment says that these two gametes will not affect each other. They are independent from each other and they will segregate or independently assort into the next generation. That means this small t is not going to affect this small t, and this small t is not going to affect this one. So each and every gamete has its own identity and they independently assort. Independently assort means independently transfer. So each gamete independently transfer to the next generation. That is the law of independent assortment. We can explain or we can understand this law with the help of a very common example. Suppose you are studying in class 9th and you are having a very good friend of yours in the same class. But your promotion to the class 10th will completely depend on what you are going to write in the examination. So your assortment or your transfer to the next generation or the next class, that is class 10th, will be completely dependent on your performance in the examination, not the performance of others. So you will not be affected or your performance will not be affected by any of your friend. Is that clear now? So these are the three laws which are formulated by Mendel to explain the inheritance of gene or the transfer of gene from one generation to another.